Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video I give you one essay. Now today I will give you the more essay, and the topic of our essay is my ambition in life. Now first, as I already told you that then when we write an essay, first we give the introduction of our topic. Now the introduction is like ambition means a strong wish to become something in future. When a student starts learning, his parents and he himself wishes to have an aim in life. Aimless work wastes energy. When the aim is fixed, a student follows a particular kind of study using his utmost attention and energy to become perfect in that work. Now, the second point is several targets. Some students want to become engineer, some doctor, some technicians, someone wants to become a teacher. Now, a student who wants to become a doctor studies biology. To become an engineer, one has to opt for mathematics in place of biology. The lawyer has to study history, politics and economics. Someone who wants to become a teacher has a keen interest in one of the subjects. Now the third point is new jobs. The advancement of science and technology has opened the gates for several kinds of jobs. Polytechnics teach several kinds of jobs: civil, mechanical, electrical, etc. Computers have brought a revolution in all walks of life. They work as the brain works. They do several jobs in a fraction of a second. Now our next point is my ambition. I feel greatly attracted towards computers. When I saw small calculators doing complex calculations in seconds, I was filled with wonder. I also heard about several youths who have become computer scientists and computer technicians and are earning a lot of money. Thought that this was the course I should adopt in future. Now the fifth point is realities about computers. Some think that computers are complex and difficult. Other thinks that computers are capable of solving any problem. Both are wrong. Nothing is difficult if we study with interest. Computers are means not end in themselves. They make difficult and strenuous problems easy. Now the last and the important point is conclusion. For studying computer science, one must have good knowledge of English language and mathematics. I am very much interested in learning these subjects. My teachers always inspire me to become successful. I hope that by the grace of God, blessings of my teachers and elders, and by working intelligently hard, I shall be successful in fulfilling my ambitions. So students, this is the essay on my ambition in life. कि मैं अपने लाइफ में क्या करना चाहता हूँ, मेरा क्या उद्देश्य है. So here we are writing this essay with 6 points. So starting point is introduction and the ending point is conclusion. And between the introduction and conclusion there are 4 points, and you have to clarify that what are your ambition, what all the options of ambition. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.